Hey everyone, and welcome. So you're looking to prove your Kubernetes skills and you've got your eye on the CKAD exam? That's a great move. All right, let's break it all down and map out a clear path to get you certified. First things first, we got to talk about something you've probably seen popping up everywhere: CKAD dumps. I mean, the term itself sounds a little sketchy, doesn't it? Is it some kind of magic shortcut to passing the exam, or is it really a trap that's just going to lead you astray? But here's the thing, and this is what's so interesting. When most people are out there searching for dumps, they're not really trying to cheat. Nope. What they're really looking for is a ton of focused practice with questions that feel exactly like the real thing. It's about being efficient, not about taking a risky shortcut. And that desire for real practice makes total sense. Because here's the absolute core truth you need to understand about this exam. The CKAD is a performance-based exam. It's not testing what you can remember, it's testing what you can actually do live in a command line environment with the clock ticking. So what does that environment actually look like? Well, here's the rundown. You've got 2 hours. That's it. It's all hands-on right there in the command line. You can take it from home since it's remote proctored, and you need to score a 66% or higher to pass. And notice there's no multiple choice here. It's just pure hands-on skill. Okay, so what exactly are they testing you on? Well, your skills are going to be put to the test across 5 key knowledge areas, or what the exam calls domains. And mastering these is, without a doubt, your key to success. And here they are, the big 5. The exam really covers the whole 9 yards, everything from application design and build to deployment to observability and maintenance. Then you've got environment, configuration, and security, and finally, services and networking. It's literally the entire lifecycle of an application running in Kubernetes. Now, here's the kicker. With only 2 hours to get through all those tasks, knowing the concepts just isn't enough. It is a flat-out race against the clock. Your speed and your accuracy, especially with those YAML files, are absolutely critical. Every single second counts. All right, let's try to feel that pressure right now. Quick question for you. How do you list all the namespaces in the cluster? You have to know it instantly. The answer is A, Kubernetes get namespaces. No time to think, just do. Okay, next one right away. How do you list pods across all of the namespaces? Come on, think fast. The correct command is A, kubectl get pod all dash namespaces. Seems easy, right? But that recall has to be immediate. Okay, last one for now. You need to list pods, but in just one specific namespace. The command line is waiting. The quickest way is A, using that N flag. You starting to see the pattern here? It's all about instant recall and perfect execution. And this, right here, this is what separates the people who pass from those who don't. It's not about memorization. I mean, let's be honest, memorization goes right out the window when you're stressed. This is about building real muscle memory through active, hands-on practice, so you can perform under pressure and execute the solution without even thinking about it. So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's actually pretty simple. The single most effective, smartest way to prepare for this exam is to simulate it. You need hands-on, timed practice that builds that essential muscle memory you're gonna need for speed and accuracy. And look, if you're searching for the best tool to do exactly that, I have to point you towards the simulator from certificationexam.com. It is specifically designed to replicate the real exam environment, pressure and all. And we're not just talking about a few sample questions here. This platform gives you a massive database of over 78 realistic scenario-based problems. And the best part? They're constantly updated to reflect what you're actually likely to see on the real exam. The platform itself is just packed with stuff to help you win. You get an online web simulator, plus a mobile app for both iOS and Android so you can practice on the go. You can even switch between a more relaxed practice mode and a timed exam mode to really simulate those test conditions. But I know what you're thinking. Does it actually work? Well, the results kind of speak for themselves. A staggering 98% of people who prepare using their question database pass the CKAD exam on their very first attempt. Now that is a serious confidence booster. Ultimately, it all comes back to this one simple, powerful idea, which is put perfectly here. Repeated structured practice builds confidence and readiness. That is the secret sauce. That is how you walk into the exam feeling calm, prepared, and ready to nail it. So instead of getting lost chasing those risky shortcuts, you can focus on building real, solid skills. The only question left to ask is, are you ready to stop memorizing and start doing so you can pass this thing on the first try?